Good morning, YouTube. It's your King Devonta YGT. Today, I'm going to be doing a very special review on this little candy egg snack, Zappo. This is the box. Presentation looks beautiful. And it says it got sour little water. Back to the video. Y'all see the box. Zappos. Milk chocolate egg. Zappos watermelon sour flavored chews right inside the egg. So let's get into the video. We're gonna see what's going on. Let's get into the video, guys. All right, open this bad boy up from the top. All right, throw it down. Here's the egg, covered in green aluminum foil. Now let's get this thing open. And when you open this thing up, it's a whole chocolate egg. Look at this thing. Wow. Let's check this thing out. Let's bite into it real quick and see if it works. Wow. Here go the sour candies right here. Chocolate's really good. Look at that inside. Bussin'. Time to try the sour candy now. Let's see how it tastes. Sour Zappers watermelon candy. That was inside the egg, guys. Finna open this bad boy up and see how it tastes. Open it up. You can smell the strong watermelon flavor. It even has a pink look to it, kind of like a Starburst, pink Starburst. Let's see how it tastes. Sour, sweet, delicious. Like a watermelon taffy. If I would give this a rating, definitely 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Yeah. The sour and the sweetness, the watermelon you taste, straight bussin'. Delicious.